Hello and welcome to another video on grammar in the English language. This video discusses how to use pronouns, specifically how to ensure clear pronoun reference to avoid unclear, weak, or vague sentences. Pronouns are words that take the place of another noun or pronoun, and antecedents are the words that the pronouns replace. Not only must pronouns agree with their antecedents in person, number, and gender, but the words to which the pronouns refer must be clear for the reader. By the end of this video, you should have a better understanding of some common mistakes that writers make which result in unclear pronoun references. On to our first example. Moira and June saw each other before she escaped. The message of the sentence is made unclear by the use of the pronoun she. Moira and June are both females, and so the pronoun she could refer to either one of them. The reader of the sentence, therefore, does not know which one of the two, Moira or June, escaped. The simplest way to avoid this kind of confusion is to simply include the name of the escapee again. So we should write, Moira and June saw each other before Moira escaped. Now, all ambiguity is avoided. Time for a quick comprehension check. On to our second example. June recorded a lot of cassette tapes, but none of it was discovered until years later. Again, it is the pronoun, in this sentence it, that creates an error. This is an example of a weak pronoun reference. What exactly does the pronoun it refer to? Again, we should revise the sentence to avoid this type of error. We can change the sentence to, June recorded a lot of cassette tapes, but none of her recordings were discovered until years later. Now, the weak pronoun reference has been eliminated. Time for another quick comprehension check. Our final example. In Gilead, You cannot escape the gaze of the eyes. Once more, the pronoun, in this sentence you, reduces clarity. This is an example of vague writing. Who is you precisely? We should always try to be as precise as possible in our writing, and another simple revision can achieve the precision required. We can simply rewrite the sentence as follows. In Gilead, citizens cannot escape the gaze of the eyes. We have now specifically identified who is under constant supervision in Gilead. These kinds of errors can be created not only with you, but also with it and they. Time for the final comprehension check question. So a final summary of the pointers covered in this video. Avoid using unclear and weak pronoun references, and avoid using it, they, and you in vague, general ways. We hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you again for watching. Please leave your questions and comments below, and we will see you again in another video.